So next we're going to talk about members joining your group on their own. So as you can see, I'm navigating to the App Store to download the Church Center app. And it's that second one there. I already have it installed, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. And I'm doing a search within the bar by zip code. And then I'm going to type in Bridge City. And you can see there's the 4 campuses. I select White Oak, and it prompts me with a login screen. You're going to have to enter your phone number. And then it might also prompt you to enter an email address based off your Planning Center profile. So go ahead and enter that. And then click Let's Go. It's going to send you a code. So I open the email, grab the code, put it in, and we're able to log in. So you can enable notifications. That'll help you stay in touch with your group members as well as they with you. So then we're going to go to groups, and you can see we're going to select Financial Peace University. So this is what they see. They have the ability to read all this if they want. They could see a tentative location, and then you request to join. They don't have to include a little blurb here, but I just put one there just to see what it does. And then I click send. So there it is. That's from the user standpoint of joining a group.